Introducing all-in-one documentation.
EazyDocs, a WordPress plugin.
Design any type of documentation website in WordPress.
You can easily organize and sort your documentation with drag and drop feature. Here, you can easily generate a complete one-page documentation with a single click. And your documentation will be created with a range of quality-full features, including simplified navigation, conditional drop-downs, font size adjustment, document sharing, and more. You can build your documentation landing page using pre-designed Elementor presets and easily customize it after importing to suit your needs. It's not just that. Even you can build your documentation landing page using pre-designed Gutenberg blocks and easily customize it from Gutenberg Editor. EazyDocs is fully compatible with all major SEO plugins on WordPress. You can manage document collaboration with contributors and leverage data analytics to optimize your documentation for audiences to ensure their needs. EazyDocs provides you with an AI-powered knowledge-based chatbot, enabling instant answers for your users and improving self-service support. You can directly collect feedback and send messages through the contact form. This allows you to stay connected with your audience and improve your services based on real user input. There are many extraordinary features available in EazyDocs. Explore these features and unlock the full potential of your documentation.